Hello Internet. Got another vertical parting plane sand casting I'm going to do today. This is a plaque for a friend for his birthday, and this is a slightly larger version of the pre-printed running system with the pouring basin and the tapered sprue and the runner to the surge trap. The idea being that this will be the top, and the mold is actually like this, and pour down in. The stream of metal, initial stream of metal loses velocity, builds up pressure, and then fills this from the bottom up. I've also improved my side removing flask a little bit by adding this supporting rod, so that when I take this side off, when it's flipped up vertical, and I take this side off, it's a lot more stable than it was before when I didn't have this. Seems to make things a lot more reliable. Okay, now with everything properly lined up, a little parting dust, like I said. All right, glue on first layer. Okay, so now we have the underside of the pattern. It's filled and rammed and struck off and flipped over, so I just got to put this side on. That's better. So let's see here. So yeah, metal goes down the tapered sprue with choked flow, so shouldn't suck up any air. Gentle bend up through there, loses velocity, builds up pressure, and then fills the cavity. And this is the pattern. Fills the cavity from the bottom up. And the nice thing about that is all the gases that are generated by that filling process should vent up through here and not get trapped. See, and there it is, the two halves together, ready to pour. There's the pouring basin and the top of the end of the surge trap, and then of course the vent and feeder. So let's fill her up. Up. Here it is, taken out of the mold and cleaned up, and we can see that it filled. Hooray! Which I think for something that's 1/8 inch thick, I'm pretty pleased about. Anyway, I do chalk that up to the fast pour, and also I poured this really hot, probably too hot. I'll talk about that a little bit. I think over 1400 degrees, 760 C, so hotter than it should have been. And you can see the scabs. I'm pretty sure that's from sand expanding from really hot metal, and definitely you can see them on the back. There's also some shrinkage here, I think, although it's in a weird place, so I don't know if that's more scabbing or actual shrinkage or what. I'm a little worried about sanding this down and seeing what's under the skin. I'll come back and show that. Some other problems which may be the cause of the shrinkage. This connection to this little vent and feeder is a little wimpy. If you can see, should have cut that a little thicker. I'm sure this froze really quick, and then if it did need to feed at all, it couldn't. So not too bad. Definitely some porosity under the skin, but not a lot. Got bitten by my sander because I'm clumsy. Hard to see here. I think on the back, yeah, you can definitely see some crazy shrinkage here, but didn't affect the front. So I guess I'm lucky.